Okay, so this is a little poetry.
I can't wait.
So it says,
so much sleep.
yeah, it looks like something like that. It says, how do people figure things out? Read about different ways of flying. Okay, it's like a little helicopter. Okay, so the inventor thinks of helicopters. Why not a vertical, whirling, winding bug that hops like a cricket, crossing a rug, that soars like a dragonfly, testing his steering, twisting and veering, fleet as a beetle, up, down, left, right, jounce, bounce, day and night. It could land in a pasture the size of a dot. Why not? By Patricia Hebel.
So can I find the rhyme words first?
Go ahead and read it first, just so you can see if you can kind of hear more rhymes.
Why not? A vertical, whirling, windy bug that hops like a cricket, crossing a rug. It soars like a dragonfly, teasing its steering, twisting a veering, feeds as a beetle, up, down, left, right, jungle, jumps, bounce, day and night. It could land in a pasture size of a dot. Why not? So first one is dot and not.
Do you want me to make this smaller so we can fit everything? Okay.
So first is whirling and swirling.
Whirling and winding.
Yes.
Okay,
and
what else?
Bug and rug.
Good. Bug, rug.
Here, steering and veering.
Okay.
Let's see. Drowns and bounce.
Good.
And dots and knots. Do you find
Very good.
That I didn't find?
I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, you found all of them.
So I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I used all the colors that in my screen